You didn't just stumble upon this, you were drawn here because a number, simple, sacred, and ancient, is calling out to you. And once you write it, something powerful begins to move in your life. This number is 741. Don't underestimate it. It may look ordinary, but it's anything but. There's a hidden current in our world, a vibration that flows beneath the surface of everything you see. And some numbers are keys to that current. 741 is one of them. And in this moment, if you feel a pulse in your chest, a stir in your soul, know this isn't random. This message is your invitation, because when you write this number 7 times, something begins to shift. And that shift, it becomes visible in just 3 days. But before we go into the ritual, let me tell you why this works. There are numbers that come from math, and there are numbers that come from meaning. 741 is not just a number, it's a vibration. In ancient vibrational studies, even before digital frequencies, 741 was said to be the code of inner awakening. It unblocks the voice, it clears the channel, it removes toxins, not just from the body, but from your financial energy field. You see, when you carry financial wounds, past fears, inherited beliefs, trauma from loss or lack, those emotions build static. And the universe, it doesn't respond to desperation, it responds to frequency. 741 clears that static. It sharpens your signal, and that's why things begin to change after writing it. Not because of superstition, but because you've cleaned the channel. So now, let's go into the ritual. It's simple, but you must do it with intention. All you need is a blank sheet of paper, a blue or black pen, a quiet moment. At any time of day, but especially powerful before sleep or after sunrise. Sit with this paper. Take a breath. Calm your energy. Then begin writing this phrase. 741. I am open to receive. I am ready now. Write it once. Then again. 7 times in total. Each time, pause after the sentence. Let the vibration settle. Say it softly aloud if you can. 741. I am open to receive. I am ready now. 741. I am open to receive. I am ready now. With each repetition, you're not just writing ink. You're layering intention. You're planting frequency into your physical space. After the 7th line, fold the paper once, neatly, place it under your pillow, sleep on it, literally and energetically. That paper becomes a magnet. It carries your coded intention into the quantum field, while your conscious mind rests. And from that night forward, things begin to stir. Now listen carefully. In the next 3 days, you may notice a dream that feels more vivid than usual. Repeating numbers on your phone, receipts, clocks, especially 7, 4, or 1. A strange calmness, even if nothing has changed yet. A message, email, or idea that wasn't there before. A delay that suddenly feels like divine timing. These are early signs that the code is working. Don't ignore them. When the universe sees you act with belief, it responds faster than you think. 741 doesn't bring wealth like a lightning bolt. It begins by tuning your frequency so precisely that the things you've been chasing start finding you. Clients, jobs, opportunities, support, Sudden refunds, ideas that sell, doors that open, they all flow to a clear signal, and you are becoming that signal. Let's go deeper now into the symbolism. The number 7 is spiritual perfection. It's the seeker, the alchemist. It governs faith, introspection, and hidden knowledge. The number 4 is grounded creation. It rules structure, stability, foundations, and real-world wealth. The number 1 is initiation. It's new beginnings, manifestation, personal power. So when you write 741, you're actually saying 7 means from the spiritual realm, 4 means I anchor stability, and 1 means activate creation. I'm ready to receive, not in theory, but in reality. And that's why this number has unlocked wealth shifts for people silently for years. There are people who wrote this code before a business pitch and landed unexpected investors. Others who wrote it nightly for a week and received checks from insurance claims they had given up on. And some who simply felt lighter, freer, less scared of life. That too is wealth. Now I want you to do this. Comment below this video. 741, I'm open to receive. Let the field witness your signal. Let your voice activate the frequency. Let your actions say to the universe, I'm serious this time. And if you've already written it, come back after 3 days and tell the world what showed up. Your story will become someone else's sign. Because energy spreads, just like numbers echo, just like intentions ripple. Now that you've written the number 741, 7 times with intention, energy, and belief, you've activated a code, but what comes next is just as important. After 3 days, take the paper from beneath your pillow, hold it in your hands, close your eyes, and whisper, thank you for the shift that has already begun. I trust it. I release it. Now you have 2 options. If you want to lock the energy in and keep receiving, fold the paper once more and place it inside your wallet, purse, or wherever you keep your money. Let it stay there. Don't peek. Don't overthink. Just carry it as a magnet. But if you feel ready to release the ritual, tear it gently, with love, and let it go in running water, a flame, or into the wind. Say, I now walk as the version of me that has already received. This act is symbolic. It tells the universe you are no longer waiting. You are walking in certainty. Now here's what happens next. You'll notice small shifts. Not always lightning strikes, but whispers. Someone suddenly brings up your name in a room full of opportunity. An email arrives with good news. A refund or bonus appears. Your mood lifts. You stop fearing bills. You sleep deeper. These are not flukes. They are early signs that your frequency is rising, and the field is responding. 741 is not about getting lucky. It's about becoming aligned. You didn't just write a number, you wrote a new code into your energy system. Some powerful secondary signs that your ritual is working. You see 741 on clocks. The number appears on car plates, receipts, views, timestamps. Someone talks about 3 days, even if unrelated. You get an urge to clean, move, or start fresh. You dream of water, gold, or glowing lights. You feel oddly emotional, like a silent burden has lifted. All of these are echoes of the new signal you're sending. 741 is not just calling wealth, it's clearing space for it. If you want to amplify the ritual, add this simple step. Take a pinch of cinnamon and rub it between your fingers after you write the number. Or sprinkle it lightly on the folded paper before placing it under your pillow. Cinnamon is a powerful attractor in energetic rituals. It speeds up results. It enhances trust. Another option, draw a golden circle around the final 741 line. Use a yellow or gold pen. It creates an energetic container, a vault for your wealth frequency. Remember, these aren't magic tricks, they're symbolic switches. They activate your subconscious, the most powerful creator of all. So now, if you've done the ritual and you're feeling the shift, comment below right now. 741, I receive my breakthrough. Let the field record it. Let others feel your belief. Let your energy echo through the algorithm and the ethers. And if this message hit your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Share it to a friend, a stranger, anyone who needs a miracle. Because when you share a frequency, it multiplies. And that's the secret to overflow. You've done the work. You've planted the code. Now, trust the bloom, because something huge has already begun. It may take hours, it may take 3 days, but it's moving toward you now. Faster than you expect, stronger than you imagined. Your life isn't just about to change. It already has, and you'll see the signs very, very soon.